Fligby, an award-winning online simulation, is not just one of the best in its genre, it's also incredibly engaging. Its blended approach upgrades the simulation experience into a complex development process that reflects your actual business or organizational context. The heart of Fligby's blended learning approach lies in its ability to bridge the gap between the virtual simulation and real-world professional challenges. This is how Fligby's blended learning approach works. Step 1 is the onboarding, or briefing. At this point, participants are introduced to the simulation. They learn about the objectives, navigation, and the exciting challenges that await them. This foundational step sets clear expectations and prepares them for the immersive journey ahead. Next, we move to Step 2, the gameplay. In this dynamic phase, participants assume a managerial role in a fictional winery. This hands-on experience allows learners to apply their knowledge in a risk-free environment, enhancing critical thinking and leadership skills. Finally, we reach Step 3, the debriefing or decoding. During this phase, participants reflect on their gameplay experiences with the help of skilled facilitators. These facilitators are trained to guide the discussion, ensuring that participants analyze decisions made, explore the lessons learned, and discuss how these insights can be applied to their own workplaces. As organizations strive to adapt to the evolving workforce and technological advancements, blended learning offers a scalable solution that addresses diverse learning needs while maximizing training effectiveness.